Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Britt. I'm a senior admissions counselor with San Diego State University. And in this Cal State Apply video, we are going to go over the standardized test and A through G matching sections of the Cal State Apply application. We're going to start with under the academic history portion where it says standardized tests. We do not require students to submit test scores. They are not reviewed for admission, but students can add them if they'd like. When you click on standardized tests, you're going to see a few options for ACT, SAT, AP, CLEP, etc. You can also add something here if you do not see it. You may also opt out of submitting any test scores by selecting the I am not adding any standardized test button. In this example, I'm going to add an AP score as well as an SAT score. For the AP score, we'll click on Add Test Score. You will select the exam you took. You can also report it if you've already taken it or if you are going to take the exam in the future. For now, I'm going to say I took AP Biology last year. I would have taken this in May of 2025, and I earned a 5. So you can save and add as many exam scores as you'd like, or just save the one. And you can see here now I have that score listed. For the next score, I'm going to add an SAT score. And I took this test last week. You can go ahead and enter in the score and go ahead and save the exam in the same way. So now you can see my SAT score is listed. Moving on to the A through G matching section. This is going to show you the minimum A through G requirements and how many years of each section we require in order to be eligible. It's super important that students double check this and make sure they're at least meeting the minimum to make sure that they are considered for admission. Now, these years, this total is pulling from what I entered in the high school coursework section. So if you see that any of these are off, you may need to go back and double check your coursework that you entered. So when I look at this here, it looks like I'm meeting every single category with the exception of English. We require 4 years, but it's only registering 3 years. Now, for this example, I know why. And the reason why is I am taking a community college class in my senior year to satisfy my 4th year of English. However, the application does not automatically recognize that. So I'm going to click this button here that says Update A through G courses. You can see all of the courses that I've listed from San Diego High School. Because I selected them from the drop-down menu, they've already automatically populated the A through G subject. You can also see any standardized tests such as an AP IB score. It will also give you credit for that particular subject. But when I look at San Diego Mesa College, which is where I'm taking my community college class right now, you can see that it is not automatically assigned. So for my composition and literature class, I know from my counselor that this is going to satisfy my 4th year of English. So I'm going to put B for English. All of the A through G subjects and their corresponding letter are listed here. Once I save and continue, it'll take me back to the summary, and now I have 4 years of